Okay, well, this is becoming an annual tradition, and it's my list of favorite perennials. Perennials, I think, are bulletproof, that are reliable, that garden right along with me, and, well, they make a commitment to me and to the garden. So let's go through that list. What do you say? Okay, so number one on my list is Penstemon Digitalis. This variety is Husker Red. And what I love about it is it's a true perennial and it will come back from the roots year after year. But what I also love about it is even if that might die back, that root mass might die back, it does go to seed reliably. And for me, not in and that's hard for me to say, an obnoxious way, but in a very wonderful way. And you can see some of it has gone to seed in other parts of my garden. And you can tell it's what it is because of its distinctly purpley red foliage. And I think it's really beautiful. And I've got it in different places of my garden. If I don't want it there, I can easily pull it up. But I do want it because it's absolutely beautiful. As I said, it's reliable. It does want good drainage. So you'll notice that I've got it here kind of a little bit on this slope, but it is drought tolerant. It's a great performer. And well, let's just say it commits to me and I commit to it. And make sure to watch to the end of the video because we're going to give you a comprehensive list of all of these plants with their plant name and growing characteristics that you can print out and put in your garden journal. Okay, number two is also a penstemon. It's Brazos penstemon, named after, believe the Brazos River in Texas, and it was gifted to me by a follower. This is a much more romantic variety of penstemon. The flowers are pinky lilac and very, very frothy and romantic. I've got a lot of it growing here. It will also go to seed pretty reliably, and I let it go anywhere it wants because it is absolutely so beautiful. Interestingly, penstemons are a perennial that I really didn't grow much at my other house, but boy, they have been indispensable here. They are tough, they are reliable, and I can really feel confident that they will come back year after year, handle our heat, handle some drought, and well, they're just good performers as far as perennials go.